Welcome to Quick Tutoring. Here I aim to give you quick content on topics that you want to learn. In these videos I'll be using the topic list from Edexcel GCSE Maths. Although from Edexcel they can be used for any other exam board or just generally for maths. In this video we'll be covering the topic of Venn diagrams, so I've marked here on the topic list. This is a grade 4 topic and it is necessary to get all the marks so that you can get the highest grade attainable. Now, a Venn diagram consists of two or more circles surrounded by a box. In the box there are factors about a topic. In each circle contains factors about a group. Where the circles overlap, the topics have something in common. Now let's go on to our first question. Sort the multiples of 5 and 3 up to 16 in a Venn diagram. First we need to look at the notation we're going to be using. This U symbol is and the upside down U means or. Now first we are going to get the multiples of 3 and 5. So we will say M3. For this we have 3, 5, 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. For multiples of 5, we will say M5. We're going to say 5, 10, and 15. Now, as you can probably see, 15 is the common multiple in both. So we will put 15 here, as it is the common multiple of both 3 and 5. Now, all the other numbers aren't common multiples, so they can go into either of the other boxes. Let's say this is M3. Then we have 3, 6, 9, and 12. In M5, we have 5, 10, 15. Sorry, 15 won't go into M5 because it is the common multiple. And there we have it. There is only one thing left to do now. All the other numbers, such as 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 11, 13, and 14, go on the outside, as they do not belong in either of these boxes, but they still exist. Let's go on to our next question. 100 people went on holiday to France and or Spain. 45 of these people went to France. 20 people went to both Spain and France. What is the probability that someone only went to France? Now firstly, we know that 20 people went to both Spain and France. So if we label this France and this Spain, we can say that 20 have gone to both. And up here we can say that total is 100. So we'll put there as a note. Now, 45 people have been to France. So this whole circle, including the 20 here, will have to have gone to France. To work out the people that only went to France, we can say that we have 45 minus 20. This gives us 25. Now, this whole box or circle is value 45. So to find the people that only went to Spain, which in this section of the circle, we have to do 100 minus that 45, which equals 55. Now note there is nothing else around the box because we're only talking about going to Spain and France. This means there are no other factors. The final question is to work out the probability that someone only went to Spain. So we use this number of 55. We will write the probability as P, brackets, S to represent Spain, and we'll use the notation of and, not F. This means that we're going to Spain and not France. So only Spain. This equals 55 over 100, which can be simplified to 11 over 20. And there you have it. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful, and please comment if there are any other topics you want to learn.